Hey guys, I am Fuji. Welcome to the Fuji's Kitchen. Today, I'll make Kanimeshi, cooked rice with crab. Let's get started.
Oh yeah, crab is the king of winter ingredients. However, winter is over, but still very okay.
First of all, cut the crab's leg. You can use boiled crab, but if possible, use raw crab to make it more delicious. Put a knife in the joint and cut it off. Then wash the rice. Wash until the water is clear, changing the water 4 to 5 times. After that, soak the rice in water for 30 minutes. Drain the water and put it in a clay pot. Add 500 cc of dashi soup stock, 3 tablespoons light soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons sake. Mix. This video shows how to make delicious dashi soup stock. Please watch if you like. Add crab legs. This time I used 450 grams of rice and 400 grams of crab for 4 people. Cover and put on high heat. When it boils, reduce the heat to low and cook for 12 minutes. Never open the lid. When cooking the rice, there is a saying that even if the baby cries, don't open the lid. After 12 minutes, turn on the heat and leave it for 15 minutes with the lid on, because it steams the rice. Rice was cooked. Wow, looks delicious! Finally, sprinkle the roughly chopped mitsuba. Mitsuba is one of the Japanese herbs. It features a refreshing scent. It's done! Haha!
Oh, it's a wonderful scent. Oh yeah. But I have to remove the shell.
Remove the crab meat from the shell. By the way, this crab is called tarabagani in Japanese. Taraba means called fishing ground. It is called this because it can be caught in the same fishing ground as cod. King crab in English. Feeding crab is troublesome. So any talkative person will be quiet when eating crabs. This channel introduces many Japanese food to everyone around the world. Updated every Friday. Please subscribe. It was a little hard. Mix the loosened crab meat with rice. Because it uses raw crab, good extract comes out from the shell. Set aside in a bowl and put plenty of crab meat on it. And add my favorite salmon roll. Wow! Sprinkle mitsuba to finish. Okay, let's eat.
Yeah. This is deep shit. Oh, plenty of crab extract. Oh, it was delicious. Oh, apparently it's back to the ground. But it's not over yet.
Wrap crab rice in plastic wrap. You already know what to do, haha! Yes, I make onigiri. But that is not over yet. Put in a heated stone pot and roast the surface with the gas burner. And pour hot soup stock. Wow, exciting! This is Jigok Kanizosui! Because the boiled soup is like hell magma. Well, I've never seen hell. Add crab meat and mitsuba to finish. Wow, this is a dangerous porridge.
Oh! Delicious is violence! Oh! Crab! Oh no! Oh! Crab attack me! Oh! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and thumbs up. See you next time.